Have you ever found yourself caught in a dizzying spiral of what-if thoughts, where one small worry quickly escalates into a full-blown catastrophe? It is a common experience to imagine the worst possible outcome, even when the evidence suggests otherwise. Challenging exaggerated negative predictions means actively examining if your worst fears are truly probable, and then deliberately expanding your view to consider other, more balanced outcomes. It is about taking back control from runaway thoughts, guiding your mind towards more realistic and helpful perspectives. These exaggerated predictions often stem from a common cognitive distortion called catastrophizing. This is when our minds inflate potential negative events, making them seem for more likely, and their consequences for more devastating, than they truly are. Understanding that this is a trick your mind is playing helps you create a little distance from the thought, making it easier to question its validity and calm your response. To begin challenging these thoughts, first identify the specific prediction. What exactly are you afraid will happen? Write it down if that helps. Next, ask yourself, what is the actual evidence that this will happen? Look for concrete facts, not just feelings. Then consider, what is the evidence that this will not happen or that something else will occur? Think about past experiences, your coping skills, or resources you have. After gathering evidence, try to quantify the likelihood. On a scale of 0 to 100%, how probable is this worst-case scenario? Often, you will find the percentage is surprisingly low. Finally, intentionally brainstorm alternative outcomes. What is the best possible outcome, and what is the most realistic outcome? Focusing on these helps to broaden your perspective beyond just the negative. A powerful insider detail in cognitive behavioral therapy is a technique called decatastrophizing. This moves beyond simply identifying the negative prediction to actively developing a coping plan if the feared event were to occur. It shifts your focus from a helpless, what if, to a proactive, what then, empowering you by recognizing your ability to handle even difficult situations. By systematically questioning the evidence, assessing the probability, and considering alternative possibilities, you can break the cycle of exaggerated negative predictions. This practice not only reduces immediate anxiety but also builds mental resilience, allowing you to approach future uncertainties with a clearer, more balanced, and ultimately more hopeful mindset.